I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun.
Alright guys, we had to do a little trade-off. So I had booked a standard, well not a standard, but like full room view. But that room was not ready. It is very important for us to get in the room before we go to the park because we get back so late at night. And the only thing really that was available now was, so we were going to be in the 80s building, facing the pool, second floor. So we are now going to be in the 50s building, which is actually like closer to the buses and the, the main hall. But it's on the 4th floor. Guys, this is not a good sign when you go up to your resort and there's a fire truck out there. Okay, actually, we hear an alarm. We hear the fire alarm. Can y'all hear it? Where do you see water? I don't see any water. Oh my. Let's see if I can get in. So, oh my. So there is sprinklers coming on, and there is water at the end there. There's water coming down from the balcony. This is not good. We don't have a lot of time, but we're in our room. This is one of the newest remodeled because they are still working on the 50s building. We can still just faintly smell the paint. So it's awesome that we're in one of the newest. I just love this bathroom. Oh my goodness, and we're here for 5 nights. So nice, clean, fresh. Ah, I love it, guys. I love it.
Let's stay beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, I can get it off. We are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, pour me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here, I'll be living long and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop.
His feet touch the ground and mine don't. I can touch it if I point my toes. And you're on your heels. The little things that I'm using. You know what time it is. Happy dance, happy dance. Oh yeah. You love it when I do that dance, don't you? Yeah, Lakelyn knows how to do that dance. Right now, well, Dole Whip's on the other side, but whatever, this line is just wrapped around to be able to get a citrus swirl float, orange cream float. Yeah, no, we're not standing this. Alright guys, I don't think I have ever been here when the Tomorrowland Terrace is open, but they're actually open for the summer, and I wanted to check out their menu. This is like so weird. I'm not used to seeing people here eating. If you're looking for the purple wall slushie, this is where you get it. Lemon blueberry cake, Rocky Road brownie, spiced pork, more pork. There's actually nothing I can eat here. Everything is mammals. Oh, except for chicken strips, and I don't eat those. It's a special photo op. It's easy to miss. It's in the corner of Carousel of Progress. Prepare to face the Omni Droid. Outside of the bathrooms near Space Mountain is another photo op. It says, get ready to slide like Frozone. Did you notice when we got off the bus what's right there? So if y'all saw when we got here, there was a fire truck because a fire alarm was going off. Now there's a fire truck and ambulance here. As soon as we got off the bus from Magic Kingdom. Like, what is going on? Yeah, I saw the paramedics come out. Oh my goodness, I am digging this. Oh, I gotta say, the TV went away. It keeps flashing. That is pretty cool. Century's gone high tech. They used to have a board right here with trivia. Now they have it like on an infocaster. That is so funny. Why did you do that? You made it go sideways when you touched it.
Did I really?
Yes, you did. Well, I'm glad you fixed it. Oh my gosh, you guys, we didn't even notice. This is like posted. Like, this is not like a real peephole. It's just like, it's just a hole in the door. They didn't finish it. Yeah, put that back in there. So, yeah, Lakelyn took plastic off of the cup to put it in. So you were hearing wind. You couldn't figure out what it is. You did not even notice. It's just a hole in the wall. There's nothing there. No, that's gonna make me like look at other ones and see if theirs is like that or somebody just like. Yep, forgot about it. Didn't put it on the punch list. Well, guys, it finally happened. I've seen it at Coronado, and it's hit Pop Century. Ew! I don't like this. There's somebody's hair on that. Like, give it to you. But anyway, your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash is in here, attached to the wall. So no more little samples, you know, not little samples, but little trial sizes to take home. It's all here. Lakelyn says I bring too many shoes. You think I bring too many shoes? Telling you people, here's your tip: bring a lot of shoes. When you're here for, you know, quite a few days, you don't want to wear the same shoes every single day to the park and do all that walking. You could get blisters and stuff, people.